everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming something a little bit different for you guys. I wanted to do something a little bit more fun, so I figured why not do the no mirror makeup challenge. We'll see how it goes. I feel like I'll pretty much master this. I used to do my makeup driving all the time on my way to work. I don't recommend it, but if you are interested, please keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I don't have any mirrors on me right now. The one that I usually use is right over here, so I'm not using any mirrors. I promise, no cheating. So let's get started. First things first, I'm gonna start with the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. Just gonna spray this all over. Let that sit. I'm gonna try something new today. I've never used this one. It's the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. Smoothing and pore perfecting. Cool. Oh, this feels a little bit thicker than usual. It smells nice. I used to do my makeup all the time while I was driving. I used to work at Sephora and I always wanted to sleep in as opposed to like wake up and get ready for work, so I would just sleep in as long as possible, and then I realized I had like zero time to do my makeup, so while I was driving I was just like blending my eyeshadow. Oh, good times. And the funny part is I used to actually always get compliments on my makeup those days. I was like, really? Thank you. Okay, so next thing I'm going to be using the new NARS foundation actually. This foundation everybody has been raving about on social media, so I'm like, okay, I'm going to try it. Feels pretty nice so far. I think I got everything covered. Next thing I'm going to do is concealer. Put it all over my eyes. For eyeshadow. I'm actually going to try to make this a little bit more challenging. So I will be doing eyeshadow and eyeliner and false lashes and all that good stuff. Maybe we'll do liquid lipstick too. We'll see how that goes. Eyebrows. Oh god. I'm using Anastasia pomade in Granite. I hope I don't make myself look like I have Sharpie eyebrows. This is so hard. I've actually never done my eyebrows without a mirror, so this is new. I can't even tell if I need more product or not. These are totally not gonna look the same. I feel like one of them is gonna be a lot thicker. That's the best I can do. I really hope there's no like splotchiness. Next, we're gonna do eyeshadow. So I'm using the Sweet Peach. So I'm just gonna go in with White Peach. Oh my god, this smells so good. And then set concealer. I'll start super light. I'm gonna go in with Georgia. This one over here. And then I'm gonna just put this in the crease. See, this isn't too bad. I feel like I'm used to this, so I can like feel exactly where my eye crease is. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with Candied Peach, which is this shade over here. It's a little more orangey-ish. I'm gonna pop that right in, or we put the other shade. I'm really interested to see how this eyeliner is gonna turn out. I struggle so badly with a mirror, imagine without it. Best part about this is that I have to go to work after. So hopefully this doesn't turn out too bad. Okay, next shade I'm gonna use Delectable, which is this like purpley shade right here. I'll put that in like my outer corner. Okay, I think that should be good. For the lid, I'm gonna go in with Nectar, which is this shade right here. Lid's pretty simple, just packing on that shade. Okay, so eyes are almost done. Time for eyeliner. So I'm gonna be using my Tarteist eyeliner. It's gel. I always like to line. I always like to line my my lash line, upper lash line. Ah! I think I've just accepted that this is gonna turn out pretty bad. I always struggle the most with like the inner corner too. Like I try to make it as thin as possible, but somehow it just always like gets thicker and thicker. Ah! Brutal! I can't even tell if I connected the wing or not. Oh my god. Okay, well, that's fine. It's okay. No big deal. This eye is gonna be a literal joke. Every time I try to do the wing on this eye, I don't know why, but like, it never sits the same way as that eye. I think like my eye creases differently on this side. It's so annoying. Because then I feel like I have to like make it thicker and then everything goes downhill from there. It's the worst thing to do, and I have contacts on too. Not a good combo. I'm done with this eyeliner. I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara right before I put on the lashes. Ow! I'm using Ardell Wispies. I was gonna use Samantha's and then I figured better not because I'll probably ruin those. Okay, I'm using Duo Glue and I'm kind of afraid to use my tweezers, which I usually always do, but I'm so tempted to look in the mirror right now just to see like what's going on. Here goes nothing. Oh, that was actually easier than I thought. I feel like this is really dangerous and I shouldn't be doing this. I don't even know if they're on properly, but it's the best I can do and feels like they're on. Oh my god. Oh my god! This one's going terrible. The other one was so smooth. Shit. What's sitting in my eye? I feel like this is not on my lash line. Okay, it's somewhat on, so I'm gonna leave it at that. I guess I can move on to the face now. It feels so freaking weird. Okay, I'm gonna start with a little bit of concealer. NARS in my under eyes. NARS Soft Matte Concealer in Custard. Mercier Translucent with my powder puff to set. Do a little bit of contouring with some NARS Laguna. This bronzer is not too dark for me right now because it's looking a little bit warm. And then I'm gonna go over that with some Faced Chocolate Soleil. Next, I'll use actually the NARS Orgasm. Okay, what am I missing here? Bottom lash mascara. Am I crazy? What? Hello. Oh! I feel like I just got that all under my eyes. Perfect thing to happen just right now. You see this? Oh my god, I think I just dropped off all the makeup. Let's just go over that. Okay, so I'm gonna do some liquid lipstick because I want to make this a little bit more challenging. And I'm going to use the Sephora Collection Marvelous Mauve. It's number 13. My lips are a little bit dry right now, but that's fine. Okay. Not bad so far. Uh-oh. I don't even want to know how bad this looks right now. Okay, I'm going to put some setting spray and then we're pretty much done. So there you go. This is what it looks like. Let's do this. I'm ready. I'm ready for this. Okay. Lovely. This right here. Okay. Well, besides that, I mean, the eyes aren't too bad. Hey, the liner actually went better than I thought. I don't know if you guys can see, but you can't really tell from afar. Like, it's not that bad from afar, but then when you zoom up, it's like, yeah. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but this liner right here, not the best. The eyeshadow, I will say, actually looks pretty good, but the eyebrows are absolutely terrible. This one especially, like, where is that going? But the lips aren't that bad, but pretty uneven. This one's a little bit higher, and then just underneath here. So overall, I guess it wasn't that bad at all. I thought it would actually be a lot worse. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. It was different, it was fun. I think other than the liner and the brows, it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Like, from afar, it's kind of okay. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, like it, and share it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!